Picture it, Sicily, 1922. A young peasant girl rushes home from a long day of school, her brain filled with crazy information. She's starving. She walks into the house. The aroma overtakes her. What is it? It's fresh, homemade pasta, just like Mama used to make it, with bolognese.
Alright guys, we're sharing with you two of our favorite recipes. They both go together. Fresh pasta, and the other one is the bolognese sauce. We're doing a two-part series. 2 videos, 1 series. Right here with Cooking with 2 Chefs. Let's get it going. Alright guys, bolognese. Bolognese. Some people call it like meat gravy, but that sounds super weird. You all love it. I love it. Mara loves it. We're gonna show you today our recipe. It's a little bit modified. A lot of our clients back in LA were dairy free, so we came up with kind of an alternative. We're using beef and pork, red wine, all the good stuff. Tonight, as we said, this is a 2-part series, so I'm gonna make the bolognese. Mara's gonna show you guys how to make the best handmade pasta. I'm gonna put it all together, get sloppy and eat it. It's gonna be great. Stick with us. First thing you're gonna need is 2 pounds of beef and 1 pound of pork. Now we just need to dice up the onion and the carrots and the garlic. We have our pot on medium-high heat. I'm gonna add some olive oil, add the veggies, and we're gonna saute them up. I've got a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of basil and 2 bay leaves. I'm gonna add these to the sauteing vegetables. So now we're gonna add our beef and the pork. Here's the handy tool for this recipe, potato masher. It gets all the meat broken up really good in small bits, So throughout the cooking process, I'm constantly potato mashing the meat. So now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix this up. And I'm just gonna let it cook for probably 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add our tomatoes and our red wine. So now we're gonna deglaze with some red wine. So we're gonna add about a half a bottle. I'm guesstimating around 2 cups, and always a little for the chef. It's good wine. Just a French red table wine. You can use Merlot. That's one of my favorites. I'm gonna let the red wine cook off for a little while, probably 5 to 10 minutes at like a good medium boil. Once again, our trusty San Marzano tomatoes. For this recipe, it's perfect. I'm gonna use this whole can. It is 28 ounces. And just incorporate the tomatoes into the sauce. We got everything incorporated into the bolognese sauce. All the ingredients are here. Just needs to cook slow and low. We'll come back to this bolognese sauce when it's ready for the tomato paste. We'll finish it off. Bolognese. It's ready. The best thing ever. All we gotta do is add some of the tomato paste. Our favorite tool. First thing I need to do is get these bay leaves out of here. Here's one. I'm gonna look for the other one. There it is. Boom. They can't hide from me. All right, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon. And I'm just pulsing with it. I'm not doing like a steady blend. It's just like, stirring it up a little bit. Let's give it a taste and see if it needs a little bit more salt. Sometimes it does. This is the best thing on earth. I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon of salt. In a total, that's about a tablespoon and a teaspoon of salt. You guys, this is a thing of beauty. It makes my heart sing. If you could smell what I'm smelling, you'd be gelling. I don't think that makes sense, but. So, make sure you check out the next video where Mara is making the handmade pasta video, episode 1 and 2, pasta and bolognese. Don't miss it. We're gonna combine the two, we're gonna eat it together, and we're gonna indulge. You guys are gonna love it. See you guys next time on Cooking with Two Chefs. Peace. Look at this bolognese, guys.